Hello everybody, welcome to English Now podcast number 18. In this opportunity we are going to talk about future time. We are going to talk about will and its structures. Will doesn't really have a meaning, but it conjugates the following verb. For example, if I say I go, that is present. I will go, that's future. O is the short form for will. Negative form is used with will not, or the short form want. The verbs always go in infinitive form. And in the question form, you have to put the will or want beside the subject, like any other question. Will you go? Won't you tell me the truth? Wait, I have 8 different uses of will. The most common one is predictions. A prediction, it's something that you think it can happen in the future, or maybe not. I think it will rain. I think that my favorite football team will win the championship. We can show if we are certain or not with different words. For example, probably, it will probably happen. Perhaps it will happen. I think or I expect. I think I'll go. Or you can also say I don't think it will rain, or I don't expect it will rain. Another use for will is instant decisions. Are decisions that they are made in a very quick moment. They are very quickly, you don't have to think about them. For example, I forgot tomorrow is Henry's birthday. I'll buy the present. When you are in a bar or in a restaurant and you want to order some food, you can say, I'll have a chicken please. Another use, promises. When you promise to do something, you can use will. Oh no, I got it 3 in the test. Don't worry, I'll help you. Will, it's also used to offer somebody to do something. For example, I will close the door for you. Will is also used for request. We can use will to invite somebody. Request and refusing also. For example, will you go to my party? I think I won't, or I think I will. Threats. Will is also used to make threats. If you cheat again, I will tell the teacher. If you don't tell me, I will kill you. And then will is used for refusing things. Come here. I won't do that. And finally, it's used for meeting an appointment. For example, I'll see you there. So that's it. Thank you very much. That's all for today. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and see you next week for another podcast. Bye! Well, a meaning. Friends, I think the next president will be infinitive form. Another use of will is instant exit. If you say that to the teacher, shh, and follow